أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek protection from Allah against the accursed shaitan. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, the honor of all the worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the most gracious, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, the honor of the day of recompense. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone may we worship, and from you alone may we seek help. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Enable us to walk the straight path. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who were subjected to your wrath, nor of the astray ones.